back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give this old set I made for our Monster High Doll series, My Roommates Are Vampires, a new makeover. Here's a short clip from the show.
Wow, I'm so nervous. I've been dreaming about this day since I was a little ghoul.
You can watch the show on my Ginger's Doll World YouTube channel. The link is in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Here's a quick recap of how I built the living room side of the set. I cut a big cardboard box in half. I glued on 2 pieces of foam board on both sections of the box to give it strength and to eliminate warping. I used windows from an old Barbie house that I took apart. For the makeover, I want to create a brick wall on the window side of the set, because I love an exposed brick room. I've been collecting these egg cartons for a while so I can make a brick wall. Okay, let's get started. This is going to take a while. I'm only cutting the flat piece of the lid of the egg carton. After I cut them all out, I'm lining it up with my mat so I can get a straight cut. My brick size is going to be 1/4 inch by 3/4 of an inch. I love the slow motion clips, but now I have to clean it all up. Before I start, I want to check how level my window is, and it's not too far off. I don't think I really need any guides. I'm going to use the window as my guide. And now I start applying my brick. I don't like the painted side. I really like the brick side. And you know what? I think I'll have enough material from the lid to create more brick for the right side. That looks like enough. I also cut smaller pieces for the ends. On this side, I'm going to draw some guides. On the second coat of paint, after I apply it, I dab it with the brush to give it some texture. Okay, now for the windows. First, I'm going to clean them up and remove all this glue. Okay, so the window's not fitting because I put a layer of brick on the inside. So now I have to remove all that. I love how it turned out. Tell me what you think down below. Keep watching for how I made the building model from the beginning of this video.
great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.